Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will discuss about chapter 2 polynomials, relationship between zeros and coefficient of polynomial. Let's see the next concept, relationship between zeros and coefficient of a polynomial. In this one, first one, linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means what is the standard form of a linear polynomial? Ax plus b and a not equals to 0. What are the relation between zeros and coefficient? We already know that zeros of the polynomial. What is the zeros of the polynomial? The value what we substitute in the polynomial, it becomes in the zero. That value is called zeros of the polynomial. Let us assume that k is the zeros of the polynomial. Now here p of k equals to a into k plus b. When I equation equal to the 0, a into k plus b equals to 0. Now a into k, here plus b is transport to that side, minus b. Now what is the k value? Minus b by a. Here minus b. Here b is the constant. Minus is there means minus of constant. By here a is coefficient of x. So coefficient of x. K equals to minus b by a is the zero of the polynomial. Next, quadratic polynomial. Similarly, let us see the standard form of quadratic polynomial. What is the quadratic standard form of the polynomial? P of x equals to ax square plus bx plus c. This is the quadratic polynomial. In this linear polynomial, only one zero, its degree also 1. It will be having only one zero. But now quadratic polynomial also, in degree is 2, it will be 2 zeros. Now it means the two values will be there in this quadratic polynomial. Those values is substitute in this polynomial getting 0. Quadratic polynomial standard form, p of x equals to ax square plus bx plus c and a not equals to 0. Let us assume that alpha and beta are zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial p of x. Here p of x equals to x minus alpha, x minus beta. Here means two values, no? So x minus 0, x minus b 0. So here x minus 0 means x minus alpha, x minus beta. Now I will take one k. Here k is a constant. K is a constant. Here k is a constant means here k value I will take 1 means nothing will change. So I will take k is a constant. Now p of x equals to k into x minus alpha. First I will prove that x minus alpha into x minus beta. Now here x minus alpha into x minus beta, x into x square minus x into beta, beta x minus alpha x plus here minus plus. So plus alpha beta. Now here x square minus, here x is the common term, so I will take x is the common. So x square minus beta plus alpha, x is the common, so b plus alpha into x plus alpha beta. Now in this x minus alpha and x minus beta, in these values I will substitute in this one k into x square minus beta plus alpha into x plus alpha beta. Now k into x square minus k into beta plus alpha into x plus k into alpha beta. Here compare the both equations. In this first equation, what is that? Ax square plus bx plus c. Now here kx square minus k into alpha plus beta into x plus k into alpha. So here k will place on, what is that equation? Ax square plus bx plus c. Here in this k value is a, so a equals to k. B value, b equals to minus of this a value k and b value minus k into alpha plus beta into x. Next c value k into alpha beta. Now sum of zeros of alpha plus beta equals to minus b by, here see, one see here, what is that? Alpha plus beta. How to write this one? Alpha plus beta equals to minus b by k. Yes or no? Yes. Here how to write? Alpha beta equals to c by k. What is here k? K means a only, na? So minus b by a equals to c by a. Now sum of the zeros of alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a. Now alpha beta means product of the zeros. So product of zeros of alpha beta, product of zeros alpha beta equals to c by a. Here b by a minus b by a equals to, here b means, what is that here? B means x. So x is coefficient of x, not so here minus coefficient of x by, what is here a? Coefficient of x square. So coefficient of x square. Next here c is what? Constant. C is constant. So constant by, here a is coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. This is the quadratic polynomial. What is cubic polynomial? What is the standard form of cubic polynomial? P of x equals to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Why? Because cubic polynomial means degree is 3. Degree is 3 means it will have 3 zeros. So assume that alpha, beta and gamma are the zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial p of x. Now what is cubic polynomial? Cubic polynomial equals to x minus alpha, 3 zeros. So x minus alpha, x minus beta, x minus gamma. X minus alpha, x minus beta, and x minus gamma. First I will take first two. First two you have to product x minus alpha into x minus beta. What is that? X minus alpha into x minus beta? X into x square minus alpha x minus beta x minus plus alpha beta. Next another one, x minus gamma. Both are producted. Now x into x square. So x square into x cube minus alpha x square minus beta x square plus alpha beta x. Again next total you have to multiplication in gamma. Next gamma x square plus alpha gamma x plus beta gamma x minus alpha beta gamma. Now here x cube value only 1, but x square values 1, 2, 3. These all values write in one side. So x cube minus alpha x square minus beta x square minus gamma x square plus alpha beta x plus alpha gamma x plus beta gamma x minus alpha beta gamma. Here alpha beta gamma, here all terms are x square is the common. So take the x square is common. X cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma into x minus alpha beta gamma. Now p of x equals to, here x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma. Here a is the constant. A is the constant. Now what is this total? X minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma. This one only na. So you have to substitute here. X cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma into x minus alpha beta gamma. Now you have to multiplication a into x cube minus a into alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus a into alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma into x minus a into alpha beta gamma. Here compare with, here compare p of x equals to, what is the cubic polynomial? Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. See here a is, this is x cube term. So ax cube, here b is a into alpha plus beta gamma, here c is a into alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta x plus d means alpha beta gamma. Here a is the constant terms. So a equals to k, b equals to minus a into alpha plus beta plus gamma, and c equals to a into alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma, and d equals to minus a alpha beta gamma. How to write this one? Alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to minus b by a, and alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma equals to c by a, and alpha beta gamma equals to minus b by a. Sum of zeros alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to minus b by a. Minus b by a equals to minus of coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube. A means x cube. Next one, sum of the product of zeros taken 2 at a time. 2 at a time means here 2 at a time taken, alpha beta, alpha gamma and beta gamma. So here alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equals to c by a. Here c means coefficient of x. C means coefficient of x. Coefficient of x by a means coefficient of x cube. Next, product of zeros. Product of zeros. Product of zeros alpha beta gamma equals to minus d by a. Here d is the constant now. So minus of constant by a means coefficient of x cube. This is all about relationship between zeros and coefficient of polynomials.